video, I'll be introducing Pixellab and the tools with how to use every tool in creating professional designs. I am Isaac. Welcome to zicopawagraphics. Pixellab is an Android application used in creating designs by graphic designers using smartphones. You can get the application from your Google Play Store, and this is how the application looks like in your Play Store. You can download it from here and install. After the installation, this and you launch the app, this is how the interface will look like. This is the default interface, and here are the various tools in the app. So the first tool we have on the app is the preset tool, and here are different presets. You can choose anyone here. Look, there are different type of presets. This is the reflect, shining, old, vivid, curved, and others. And this is the default preset, so you can use anyone for your work. So the next tool we have here is the text icon. In this tool we can edit text, can add text. Then let's write something here. Let's write text. Then add it. You can increase with this button. You can increase and reduce the size. You can drag. Then and here we have the positioning button. You can move the text to anywhere you want to move it to, up, down, left, right. Then you can copy the text. Then this is the relative positioning. You can use this to move it to any position of your choice: middle, center, down, left, right, up. So any position you want to move it to. Then this is the size. You can increase the size and reduce it to any size of your choice. Then we have the color. You can change the color of your text to any color of your choice. You can change the color. So you will choose the color here. And if the color you want is not here, you can click on this button here, this plus button. Then it will take you to your color palette. You can choose the color here, or you can as well use the color code. Click on this button and input your color code here, so anyone you can work with, fine. So that's for the color. Then we have the texture. You can change the texture of the text. Maybe you have a different texture in your gallery. You can input it. Go to your gallery, look for the texture you want to change the text to, and use it as you can use. Let's use this and see how it will turn out. Then you will crop it. Let's try something with this. Then look and see the texture has changed. Then and remember that this application does not use data. It does not need mobile data to work. It can work on its own. Then this is the opacity. You can reduce the opacity and increase the opacity of the text. I hope we know what opacity means. Like in form of the thickness, the boldness of the text. Then we have the font here. If you want to change the font of your text, like you want to use another font for the text, you can choose font here. Maybe in my next video I will show you how to add font to your Pixellab. Then the style, you can make it border, you can make it italic, you can add underline. So that's for the style. Then we have the background. You can add background to your text. You can change the color of the background to any color of your choice. You can add left paddling, right paddling, top paddling, bottom paddling, and radius to your text. Then we have align. You can middle alignment, sorry, center alignment, left alignment, and right alignment. And you can also space your text, add spacing to the text. Then the stroke, and the stroke, if you enable the stroke button to add stroke to your the text automatically, then you can use different color for the stroke, and you can increase the stroke width. Like, look, you can increase it, you can reduce it. Then for shadow, if if you enable the shadow, the same thing, you can increase the opacity, reduce the opacity. You can change the color. Then the blur radius, increase the blur radius, reduce it, the offset. Then the next one is 3D test. You can add 3D to your test, just like in other software. You can, if you add 3D to your test, will be in 3D. Look. So then let's go to the next tool here. Is we have the visual sticker, images, and shape. This icon, when you click on it, you can add stickers to your work, you can add images and shape. So if you want to add a sticker to your work now, you can click on this sticker icon. We have different stickers here, so you can add any one of your choice to the work. Then same for the image, you can import image from your gallery and add to the work. Let's try something. And you can import an image, something like this. You will use these buttons to edit it. Then same goes for the shape. You can choose your shape from here. There are different shapes here. Choose the one of your choice. Increase the size, reduce it, and you can edit it here also. Then the next icon we have is the background icon. If you want to edit the background, first you can change the color. And see we have different colors for the background here. Then the next thing, you can, if you want a transparent background, you can click here. The background will become transparent. Then if you want to change the size of your work, like the paper size or the size of your image, you can, we have different sizes here, custom size. We have the square, we have profile picture, we have YouTube channel banner, we have YouTube thumbnail, and rest of them. And you can also use your own size, can impute the size here. The next one, you can also import images from your gallery and use as background, something like this. Let's say you import an image. Let's use this as background. See, so you can import image from your gallery. Then the next icon we have is the effect icon. If you want to apply effect to your background, you can add vignette. You see, this is how the vignette work. Can use different colors for the vignette. Then you can increase the noise of the background. We have the alpha, this is, then we have the enhance. Then you can add stripe to your background. Same, you can, we have alpha and repeat if you want to increase the stripe and reduce it. Then the brightness, if you want to increase the brightness of your background, you can increase it, you can also reduce it. Then I think that's that for the tools. Then the next one at the up part is we have the add button. In here we can add text, we can add current date. See, then you can also add stickers, shape, and you can import image from your gallery. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification button to get more of our videos whenever we upload any. You can save your image as project. If you save it as project, you can come back and edit it if you want to edit. Then save as image, that's to save it to your gallery. And here we have different format to save it as. You can save it as JPEG, that's normal image, and you can save it as PNG, that's transparent image. Then you can choose your resolution. There are different resolutions here. We have custom, low, medium, high, very high, and ultra. I normally work with ultra because that's the highest resolution. Then you can now save to your gallery. Then this button also is the same as the save button. Then this icon here is for quote. If you want to add quote, here are some quotes here, so you can just choose anyone and add as text to your work. So you can work with the quote. Then the next one is about the app, to know things about the app, the export, and then we have the layer icon. This icon is like layers. Any work you do will create its own layer. That so if you want to edit anything, you come and edit using the layer. Then we have the grid. The grid is for mainly for alignment, for you to have a perfect work, to maintain your alignment, because sometimes the work might be scattered because it's not maintain alignment. So that's the work of the grid. Then we have the zoom out and zoom in icon. Then the next one is the back button. Then the next one is the back button, and this you can look here. Now you can delete your work here. This is the delete icon, and you can edit your text here also. So if you want to edit the text, you can just edit it here. So and what next? I think that's that. Maybe in our next video I will tell you how to the basic principles of how to use this to create better designs, how they work together. Thank you.